everyone, welcome back to another video. We're going to do some nice pumpkin and peanut punch today. Now you can get yourself a nice fresh pumpkin one that is vibrant looking and yellow like this one, right? We're going to use 1 cup of peanut, some milk, some spice as usual. Before we get started, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this video. What I'm going to do with the pumpkin first is to just cut it up into some nice size so it can fit into the pot. We're going to boil these, right? We're not going to juice it as how I normally do. And skin on, right, for extra nutrients. In my pot here I have 3 cups of water. You don't have to wait until the water has bring to a boil, right? We're going to add just a pinch of salt and add in our pumpkin. To my pot here as well, I'm going to add in 3 cinnamon leaves, the mace of the nutmeg, and 3 cardamom seeds. We'll fish these out a little later. Okay guys, let's test these for how tender they are. And this is perfect, right? Your fork goes right through. That's what we're looking for. At this time you can go ahead and fish out the spice that we put in there. We're going to let the pumpkin cool down before we blend it. And the mace of the nutmeg give the punch a lovely flavor, as well as the cardamom. Lovely flavor, but you can't overuse the cardamom. You know, you use like about 2 to 4 seeds of the cardamom. All right, so now we're going to add the pumpkin with the water in our blender. I like to add the spice now, so it includes the cinnamon powder and nutmeg. If you have mixed spice, you can always use it. Now I'm going to blend it. Adding in our peanuts. And continue blending. And look at that, guys, how rich it looks. Oh my gosh, very nice pumpkin peanut punch we have here, guys. Now we're going to go in with some milk. I'm using soy milk. You can use whatever milk that you prefer. Adding some vanilla. And the remaining water from the boiled pumpkin. Can give that a mix up. And the pumpkin is so sweet, guys. You can always add the sweetener you prefer, but I don't think this need any sweetener because really and truly the pumpkin is really sweet, and the soy milk, I had gotten the sweetened one, so it's pretty much okay for me. Yes, man, very nice. If you want to add any more spice, you can go ahead, but I am comfortable with how it is right now. I'm going to put it in the fridge to be to just get a little bit more chilled, and then we serve it up. And there you have it, guys, our nice pumpkin and peanut punch. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, bye.